saw it on your map. So surprise, we're at Animal Kingdom, aren't we, kids?
Yeah.
We thought we weren't coming to the park again until after Christmas, but we changed our minds. Okay, let's go through the tunnel. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, there's some birds. Wow.
It is kind of dark. Don't climb up there. We're gonna get our picture in front of the Tree of Life. Look, they're doing pictures. Then we'll get some lunch. There it is. Isn't that cool? Now to find someone. You feeling good? You got a little ketchup on your face. Is it good? So we had a little rainstorm. I got the chicken bowl at Harambe, which is pretty good. I like it. Did she take a french fry? Well, those are her fries. There comes the sun. And we're going to try this cute little Simba cupcake and see how we like it. What are your thoughts on the cupcake?
Icing, big.
The icing was not good.
No, it didn't taste good to me. But the real cake part, that was yum.
What about you, Anna Grace? What do you think about the cupcake?
Okay.
Girl, you do not need any more ketchup.
And there's some.
You didn't get it all off your face. No, just eat the last few fries without ketchup. You still got a little on there. What about the cupcake? Did you like it? You give it a thumbs up, Brayden? That's your thumbs up. Okay, I like your thumbs up. So are we gonna go to Discovery Cove next?
Wait, what? Where you ride the train? All right, but potty break first.
Okay, we'll do a potty break first.
What do you think they use that makes them so loud?
That big thing when they yell.
Yeah, right, like that big one that kind of looks like a coconut or like a bubble or something. Yeah, guess what? That's their throat. They're gonna puff their throat up and fill it up with air. And it's gonna work kind of like a microphone. So how we would talk into a microphone to make our voices loud, that puff of air in their throat is gonna make their voices loud. Yeah. We have two Siamese that live over there in that habitat. You can see one hanging out on that ladder right there. Just kind of hanging out to them. Now when they talk to each other, you can hear them in the parking lot. That's how loud they are. Pretty crazy, right? Now do you think you'll hear Siamese at home?
No.
In your backyard?
No.
Probably not, right? But I bet you hear a lot of other animals, yeah? Maybe birds, squirrels, foxes maybe? So maybe you can go on a little sound safari when you get home, my friend.
Yeah,
He's hanging like a bat. He moved where I can't see him now. He's on the other side.
No, he's right there.
Oh, you're right. There he is. Mommy was looking in the wrong spot. He is, and he's just hanging by one arm. Just resting. Look at Expedition Everest. That's where we're headed. We're gonna go over there where that seating area is. You see it? And we're gonna watch the new kite show. How cool is that?
I don't remember seeing graffiti.
They came when we were doing our wilderness explorer. Remember they passed by then?
No, I never saw them. We just saw Timon yesterday. I hope he remembers that.
We sure did at the dance party. We saw Simone yesterday. You don't need the backpack. Look, there's Rafiki and Timon. Can you wave at them? Can you dance like Simone? Show them how you can dance. See Simone's dancing. Zip-a-zama, zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zip-a-zama, zoom, zoom, zoom.
Jet ski.
Well, they're getting ready for the show, I bet. Yeah. We'll have to see what they're doing, huh?
Take to the sky. We now invite you to find a seat and enjoy all the colorful wonders of Disney Kite Tales.
I know you got some hand sanitizer. Yeah, Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Guitar. You playing guitar? He sure is playing guitar. Yay! Anna Grace, you're so pretty. Yeah, I see. Hey, Jace, man, I love you. That sun's bright, isn't it, buddy?
Hello, Kite-Tail friends! And hello, Mr. Gray! We are the Discovery Island Drummers, and we want to wish you all a very happy holiday. Now,
Clap along with us. Yeah, celebrate the magic. All right, thank you. It has been a blast celebrating with all of you. We are the Discovery Island Drummers. Now, are you ready for kite tails? All right, you're kind of ready. Let's try that again. Are you ready for kite tails? Yeah, now it's second place. So it's our pleasure to officially launch the high-flying adventure that is Disney Kite Tails.
Greetings, friends! As part of the world's most magical celebration, we're so proud to welcome you to Disney Kite Tales! Since the dawn of time, the air around us has held an ancient magic. When the wind picks up just right, it can carry the majestic sights and sounds of faraway places. From the prime lands of Africa to the great canvas of sky above. Join us now as we allow the magic of Disney storytelling to soar like never before.
Did you touch the water? Yeah.
She dropped that.
No, it's okay. Jace, you want to wear these? I think I'm going to take them off for a little while. I'll just put them under down there with the poncho.
I don't really wear them.
No, leave the book alone. Put it back. Alright, sit down. Let's go ride the train.
We're gonna ride the choo-choo train. We're gonna ride the choo-choo train.
Yeah, we're going to ride the choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Actually put me like I was actually getting electrocuted.
You were pretending?
Yeah.
I hear the train. Y'all are so cute. Holding hands. Do you love your sissy, Raiden? Yeah, sissy.
And please be sure to watch your children. Asante.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Wildlife Express.
Sit back, sit down.
Viaje seguro. Manténganse sentados.
Say bye.
Pies y piernas dentro del tren.
There she goes. Tell her bye. Bye.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science.
It's like the boogie train.
Be sure to check out the animation experience at Conservation Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite Disney characters inspired by live animals from one of our animators. The tradition of animals and animation reaches all the way back to Walt Disney himself and his long-standing passion for conservation. He believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy, from animation to conservation, to the very adventures we offer here at Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day. As we make our way to Rafiki's Planet Watch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists to care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more. Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest advances in computer
Look, there's a rhino.
this tradition continues today. As
Attention everyone, make sure your children are all the way back
Sit
in
down.
their seats, please. They cannot be leaning forward with their hands or heads outside the train. Thank you.
We are now approaching Conservation Station at the King's Planet Watch. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please sit all the way back against the finish and avoid leaning out toward the railing. Remain seated until the train comes to the blue sky, and please be sure to watch your children as you exit. Go back and explore.
You want to see the cow? I don't think we can pet it. He's kind of backed up over there. What's the cow say, Raiden? Moo! He's touching the water puddle. You want to go pet the sheep? You want to pet it? It's okay. Come on, you want to go pet it? Are you scared? You don't have to if you don't want to. Did you pet it?
It's too crowded to pet for one thing. Pet her first.
They are soft, huh?
It kind of feels like this stuffed animal.
Yeah.
Yes, it feels soft.
Come here, Raiden. Don't step in the water, okay? Try to stay out in the mud. Watch out, Raiden. Aw, you see the baby? Yeah.
This one looks the oldest a little bit.
He's a little bit bigger in size, honey. Not the head area though, okay? So you're
Oh,
welcome to
okay.
touch just the back area because we don't want them to accidentally nibble and bite somebody because they get very
They're cute to
curious.
look at, though, right? Okay. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Yeah. No, ma'am, Anna Grace. Come on, they probably do a show there, buddy. Yeah.
They can go in there?
No, that's for the animals. All right, let's go wash our hands.
Our return trip to the African town of Harambe.
Bye.
Please remain seated and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit back
Bye.
and please be sure to watch your children.
Bienvenidos. Comenzamos ahora nuestro viaje de regreso a la aldea africana de Aram. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la barra. Por favor, miren a los niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service from Rafiki's Planet Watch to the village of Harambe. As you head back out into Disney's Animal Kingdom, we hope you take with you a great appreciation for the very journey that led us here. You see, it was Walt Disney's passion for animals and conservation that led him to send film crews across the globe to capture dramatic footage of wildlife in remote locations. Walt Disney's True Life Adventure series touched the hearts of millions of viewers,
Yeah.
inspiring the spirit of conservation and paving the road to the nature documentaries we see today. That same power eventually inspired the creation of Disney Nature, the latest continuation of this wildlife storytelling tradition. With the release of powerful films like African Cats, Born in China, and Penguins, Disney Nature creates a unique opportunity to connect with wildlife on an emotional level, inspiring us to preserve nature through care and understanding. And did you know that each film provides an opportunity for filmgoers to become conservationists just by seeing films? A portion of the First Street's ticket sales for each Disney Nature release is directed through the Disney Conservation Fund to support specific conservation initiatives with nonprofit organizations around the globe. It was this rich legacy of animal storytelling that inspired the idea of Disney's Animal Kingdom, a place that celebrates our deep connection with animals, exploration that comes from preserving and protecting our natural world. As we venture out into the park today, or make your way back to wherever you call home, remember that legacy lives in you.
So please be sure you're staying seated at all are more than welcome to sit in laps. Just make sure that they're following those same rules, staying seated in one spot, not sliding around the track or being lifted up into the air, because this is not the Lion King, and I cannot sing the Circle of Life very well. If you guys have any loose items of value like your phones, cameras, hats, and sunglasses, keep a nice tight grip on them. It does get really bumpy out here sometimes, so if we happen to drop. And on our right, just in the shadows, all the way in the back, there is going to be an okapi. It's walking away behind that bamboo. Yeah, although it looks a lot like a zebra with those striped legs, they surprisingly are more closely related to the giraffe. Yeah. Now these bongos out here, they are also known as ghost of the forest because they are so rare to be seen. The black rhino weighs about 3,000 pounds. And at the end of its nose, there is a beautiful horn. That horn is made out of the same material as our own fingernails. At the top of the hill on our right side, there is a saddle-billed stork. The saddle-billed stork has a wingspan of about 9 feet wide. That's about the same width as the canopy of this truck. Trees. So if predators or other threats look at them, they think it's just a bunch of trees instead of their prey. One more greater kudu on this left side down here. Now it looks like they are all female that we've seen so far, since they do not have horns. Typically only the males will have horns, and as you can see on the animal spotting guide, that makes it easier to spot. Hippos can hold their breath for about 8 minutes at a time. That gives them plenty of time to stay under that water. The word hippopotamus actually translates in Latin to water horse. Those guys are really good swimming back pelicans. The pink-back pelican is one of 8 species of pelican in the world. They get that name from the pink spot on their back that only appears during mating season. Like all pelicans, they have a little pouch under their bill. That pouch is called a guller. It's perfect for scooping fish right out of the water. It's also a great way to cool down. They tend to move that pouch back and forth in order to regulate their body temperature.
Yeah.
Out there on the left, I see some Nile crocodiles. Do me a favor, keep an eye on those guys for me as we cross this bridge.
Look how big that one is.
And just one of those horns can get about 3 to 4 feet long all the way across. So putting both horns together, that is about 6 feet long from one side to the other. Now although those horns look very heavy, they're actually very light. If you were to look on the inside of them, it looks kind of like a hexagon pattern, almost a honeycomb shape. That keeps them nice and light and allows for blood flow to go throughout the horns to Yeah, one just popped up his head. It's gonna get up for us. Now, although a lot of movies portray hyenas to be scavengers, they actually are very good hunters. They will hunt all together in a pack and make sure that even the weakest one gets food. The size of those Ankole cattle's horns out here. Lots of them on both sides of us. And up ahead, looks like we're going to see some wildebeest and some springbok. Now the springbok are a little bit more hidden than those wildebeest up there. It's about 1.5 billion at a time. Yeah, we're going to see a lot of giraffe out here. We'll actually see one of the baby giraffes as well. There's a super tiny one. Now this baby was born in June of this year. When he was born, he was about 6 feet tall, 180 pounds, so almost the size of a full-grown person. I think this one over here is actually one of the 1-year-olds. There should be one that's even smaller, but it might be away.
Right, and look at the giraffes.
This is the Maasai giraffe. I can tell that because they have a very squiggly pattern.
Yeah.
There are other species of giraffe out there that will have a more square, rectangular pattern in comparison.
Yeah.
If they had that square pattern, then I'd be calling them the reticulated giraffe.
Thank you.
Agitated or excited, they become even brighter in the face, just like how humans blush. There's another one jumping around. That was the older baby. So there are 2 babies right now in spot. In the village, we noticed that elephants were eating all of the farmers' crops. So we had to think of a way to keep those elephants safely away. We soon found out that elephants do not like being
You saw the elephant? You saw the elephant? Yeah. There's some more.
So there are four elephants. There's actually a smaller elephant behind this really big one over here in the middle. I think it's technically a juvenile, but it is still super adorable. Now that leads me to believe that this is the female herd. The females like to stick together in order to raise the young. Baby flamingos are born completely gray, and then as they grow older and eat more brine shrimp, they will slowly develop all of those pink feathers that we see on some of the adults. Now it usually takes about a year or two to fully get all of those pink feathers, so I'm going to guess that those gray ones are maybe around 8 months old by now. Top of those hills, and another one walking down. Cheetahs, they are natural sprinters. They can go about 0 to 60 miles. That is, of course, the male lion with that really big, fluffy mane. It looks pretty light on him, but it's actually about 25 pounds. It's more than a big protective armor.
Look,
there are 2 more females down there as well. The females are the hunters of the group. They tend to go out and hunt. Meanwhile, the males stay at home with the cubs, kind of like a step-dad. Now, although they are very big cats, they actually don't have to eat too much. They only eat about 20% of their body weight. Then they store that energy as they sleep and save it for when they hunt next. Out in the center. Again, that keeps elephants safely away from farmers' crops in a more humane way than poaching would. So it really helps a lot of those elephants, and it helps the farmers as well.
We're going home.
No, not yet.
Hey, don't do that.
But we will be soon. The park closes in less than 2 hours, so. Welcome to the Valley of Moara, Pandora.
Whoa. Whoa, the ground's closed.
Yep, it's because it's almost nighttime now. You want to go this way? Oh, look, there you have some lights. We'll walk over there and see if the wait time's gone down some. It was 75 minutes, about 10 minutes ago, but park's about to close. So,
Hey, where is it, Mom?
take a left at those trash cans.
Ooh, we're not going riding that.
Honey, that's not the Navi River journey. That's the Flight of Passage, Sean. This way, baby. That's cool, huh? Tree lit up at night. We just stayed at Rainforest Cafe. We're heading out for the night. Did y'all have a fun day? Yeah, how was your food?
Good.
It was good?
It was good.
It was so yummy.
Yeah. We even
Y'all like
helped Mom.
Rainforest Cafe?
We even helped Mom eat hers because hers was a lot.
Yeah, it was a lot, wasn't it? Now I think we're gonna get a picture in front of the tree and call it a day and go home. Say bye, Animal Kingdom.
Bye.